If I told you that just 3 simple vitamins, 3 nutrients you may already have in your home, could help your skin look smoother, brighter, and noticeably younger almost overnight, would you believe me? Most people don't, at least not at first. And I understand why. By the time we reach our 60s, 70s, or even 80s, we've tried dozens of lotions, creams, and serums that promised miracles but delivered disappointment. But what I'm about to share isn't a flashy advertisement or a quick fix sold in a bottle. It's about restoring something your body naturally wants to do: heal, repair, and glow again. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how these 3 vitamins work, and more importantly, how they can help you look noticeably younger, starting as soon as tonight. Before we dive in, I want to invite you to join this community by gently tapping the like button and subscribing. Not out of obligation, but so you don't miss the simple things that can truly make life after 60 feel lighter, healthier, and more hopeful. You deserve guidance that speaks to you, not at you, and that's what we're here to provide. Now, let's talk about something most people rarely say out loud: aging can feel unfair. Not because getting older is bad. Your age is a badge of strength, evidence of everything you've survived. But sometimes the mirror doesn't reflect the energy you feel inside. Maybe your mind still feels 40, but your skin looks tired. Maybe you feel confident in who you are, yet you wish your face and body showed a bit more of that confidence back. And that desire is not vanity. It's human. It's emotional. We want the outside to reflect the life and wisdom we carry on the inside. A few years ago, I was speaking with an older woman who told me something unforgettable. She said, "I don't want to look young again, I just want to look like myself again." That sentence shaped everything I've learned about aging since. Looking younger isn't about chasing the past. It's about honoring the version of you that still wants to shine. And the truth is, your body knows how to revive that glow. It just needs the right ingredients to do it. That's where these vitamins come in. They aren't magic, but what they do inside your body can feel magical. Think of them as your skin's best friends: quiet, powerful, reliable. The kind who show up when you need them the most. And what's beautiful is that these vitamins don't just change the way you look, they change the way you feel. When your skin looks more awake, you feel more awake. When your face softens, your confidence rises. When you see a glow, you feel a glow inside, too. The first vitamin we'll explore is one that dermatologists, nutritionists, and even world-class wellness experts praise for its ability to brighten the skin almost immediately. But here's the interesting part: it works even better for older adults than for younger people, because your body is more responsive to it. You might not have heard that before, but it's true. As we age, our skin becomes more hungry for certain nutrients it used to produce easily. Feeding your body this single vitamin can bring results that surprise you, in some cases by the next morning. We'll dig into how that works in the next section. But before we get there, let's pause for a moment and talk about something deeper: your relationship with your appearance. Many older women feel guilty for wanting to look younger. They say things like, "At my age, it shouldn't matter." But it does matter. Because how you feel about yourself affects everything else: your mood, your energy, your desire to stay active, even the way you interact with the world. Wanting to feel beautiful is not superficial. It's emotional nourishment. It's self-respect. It's joy. If anyone has ever made you feel silly for caring about your appearance, let me tell you something that I hope you take to heart: you have every right to want to look your best, at any age. And you don't need permission to take care of yourself. You deserve to feel vibrant. You deserve to feel admired. You deserve to look in the mirror and see a version of yourself that makes you smile. When you understand how these vitamins interact with your skin, it becomes clear why they're so effective. Your skin is not just a surface, it's a living, breathing organ that reflects your internal health. Every line, every shadow, every dull patch is your body sending a message. These vitamins respond to those messages by giving your cells what they've been missing for years. When your cells get what they need, they wake up. They repair. They rebuild. And the results become visible. As we move forward, I want you to remember something. Improving your appearance is not about vanity, it's about vitality. It's about reclaiming a little spark you might have lost along the way. And the beautiful thing is that you don't need expensive treatments, injections, or complicated routines. What you need are simple, consistent choices that honor your body. We'll explore the first vitamin in detail, how it works, why it works so fast, and how to use it correctly so you don't waste time or money. Most people never use this vitamin in the way that gives the biggest results, but you'll understand exactly what to do. Now that your mind is open and your heart is engaged, let's talk about the first vitamin, one that many older adults underestimate, even though it can create the fastest visible change. I'm talking about vitamin C. Not the simple orange juice version most people think of, but a powerful, skin-active form that wakes up tired, dull, and uneven skin almost immediately. Vitamin C works like a light switch. The moment your skin absorbs it, it begins neutralizing the little stressors and environmental damage that make your complexion look older than you feel. And here's the part most people don't know: mature skin responds to vitamin C far more dramatically because the contrast is greater. When your cells haven't received what they need in a long time, they light up the moment you give it to them. This is why so many older women see that overnight brightness effect. Imagine standing near a window the next morning and noticing that your skin doesn't look as shadowed or heavy. Suddenly there's a soft glow where there used to be dullness. It's subtle but undeniable. That's vitamin C working from the inside out. And you don't need fancy formulas or foreign-sounding chemicals, just the right type, in the right amount. Experts often recommend ascorbic acid for the strongest effect, but if your skin is sensitive, there are gentler forms like sodium ascorbyl phosphate. The key is consistency. A few drops in the evening or morning can make a world of difference. It's almost poetic, giving your skin a little daily sunrise. But vitamin C isn't just about brightness. It strengthens your skin barrier, reduces age spots, smooths rough texture, and helps your skin produce collagen again. Collagen isn't just a beauty word. It's the structure that holds everything together, the plumpness, the firmness, the youthful bounce. As we get older, our collagen production slows dramatically, which is why the skin can feel thinner or creased. Vitamin C acts like encouragement for your skin, telling your cells, you can still do this. And they listen. Now, let's move to the second vitamin, one that works more quietly but delivers some of the biggest long-term results. Vitamin D. It's often called the sunshine vitamin, but for older adults, it's more like the strength and softness vitamin. Many women over 60 unknowingly have low vitamin D levels. This doesn't just affect mood or bones, though it certainly does both. It also affects your skin's ability to regenerate. When your vitamin D is low, your skin cells behave like tired workers. They move slowly, repair slowly, and replace old cells slowly. The result is skin that looks older, flatter, and more fragile. But when your vitamin D levels rise, something magical happens beneath the surface. Your skin begins shedding old, dull cells more efficiently and replacing them with fresh new ones. That turnover is one of the most underrated secrets to younger-looking skin. Most people try to force the process with harsh scrubs or chemical peels, but when your body has enough vitamin D, it does this naturally. Think of it as your skin remembering its rhythm again. There's also an emotional side to vitamin D that many women underestimate. Low levels can make you feel heavy, unmotivated, or easily discouraged. When your mind and mood feel low, it reflects on your face, your expressions become tighter, your eyes look fatigued, your skin looks less alive. Improving your vitamin D is not just an inside job, it's a whole self job. When your mood lifts, your face softens. When your body feels stronger, your posture changes. All of that adds up to looking younger, not just because of biology, but because you're carrying yourself with renewed energy. One woman I worked with told me she hadn't realized how much low vitamin D was affecting her. She said, "I thought I was just getting older. I didn't know I was running empty." Once she raised her levels consistently, she noticed her skin looking fuller and her eyes appearing clearer, but she also felt more present, more awake. That combination is what truly makes someone look younger: light in the eyes, strength in the posture, confidence in the smile. Now, let's talk about the third vitamin, one that is often overlooked but incredibly powerful for older women: vitamin E. Think of vitamin E as your skin's bodyguard. It protects, soothes, and slows the invisible damage that accumulates over time. Where vitamin C brightens and vitamin D renews, vitamin E softens. It's the vitamin that smooths harsh lines, eases crepiness, and brings back a velvety texture to skin that has become fragile or paper-thin. You might have noticed that some areas, like the neck, under the eyes, or the hands, tend to show age more quickly. That's because these areas lose moisture faster and have less natural oil production. Vitamin E acts like a seal that locks in hydration and prevents your skin from drying out. And when skin is deeply hydrated, it looks instantly younger. Fine lines soften. Wrinkles look less sharp. The skin catches light in a more flattering way. It's one of the few vitamins that delivers both immediate and long-lasting results. Vitamin E also works beautifully when paired with vitamin C. They're like best friends, each enhancing the other's benefits. Vitamin C brightens, vitamin E protects. Vitamin C repairs, vitamin E nourishes. When used together, they help create that unmistakable glow. Not the shiny kind, not the oily kind, but the soft, healthy radiance that people notice without being able to explain why. But beyond the science, here's what I want you to remember: these vitamins aren't about trying to erase time. They're about helping you feel like yourself again. Every woman deserves to look in the mirror and see a face that reflects her spirit, not her stress. And you don't need miracle products or extreme treatments to get there. You simply need to support your body in the ways it quietly asks for. Aging isn't the enemy. Neglect is. When you give your skin what it craves, brightness from vitamin C, renewal from vitamin D, softness from vitamin E, you're not fighting age. You're partnering with it. You're saying, "I'm still here. I still care. I still deserve to shine." And you absolutely do. These vitamins won't make you look 20 again, but they can help you look vibrant, rested, refreshed, and beautifully alive. And that, for many women, feels even better than turning back the clock. It feels like coming home to yourself. If you found this message helpful or comforting, remember that you're part of a community that values wisdom, wellness, and self-care at every age. You deserve to feel confident, supported, and empowered in this season of life. And if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe so you never miss guidance made just for you.